Hey y'all, Country Cuz here. Well, the last time you saw me on my videos, I was lost in the wood. Well, today we got a little craft project. So they're running out of the n95 mask for this coronavirus, and I'm gonna show you how to make a pair. Well, I'm gonna show you how to make one using a pair of underwear, some jute twine, and a pair of scissors. Well, I'm not going to show you how to make it. I'm going to tell you how I made mine. Because you have to kind of test fit it as you're making it. So what I did was I cut out a pretty good swath of the front of a pair of new underwear. If you don't have new underwear, then wash you a pair. Very good. I mean, it's your underwear. You know, you're not going to catch no germs from it. Now, if you went to your neighbor's house and got his pair of underwear, you know, you might get some germs. But, you know, this is your underwear. But I did use a pair of new underwear. So, what I did was I cut out the front of it. And the reason I got the fly in it is because, you know, you don't want to be pulling your mask down all the time. Well, I got this tied to my head. So, you know, I just took it around, I tied it, and I got it tight. I mean, I can take it off, but that's the whole reason of the underwear mask, because you don't want to have to take it off. If you're a smoker, guess what? You don't have to take your mask off. You just open it up right here, put your cigarette in, light it, smoke it, and enjoy. But, you know, and then you can close it right back up. I mean, you got to kind of keep moving it around on your face to where, you know, it's comfortable for you. But I mean, hey, it's made of cotton. It's gonna be comfortable. And you can drink while you got this on. I mean, the other ones you gotta pull down or take them off or whatever. Well, I got my quarantine cola. And it's a beautiful day in Alabama. I'm not working. This quarantine cola, it might make you forget what kind of sad state the United States is in right now, or the world pretty much. So drink you a few of these quarantine colas and all that's gone. Oh yeah. Then you open your little fly here, move your beard a little bit. Man, that's good. Woo! So, anyway, that's my video. I mean, you got to shortage this stuff. You kind of got to make your own way. You could use a t-shirt. You could use underwear. I mean, sky's the limit. Use your imagination. You don't have to go out and buy these masks. Yeah, I guess they may be a little bit more comfortable than the underwear mask, but you know, you never know. This is pretty comfortable. I could wear this all day. I've seen Alabama masks, I've seen Auburn masks, I've seen masks with bunny faces on them. Sky's the limit. But you ain't gonna be able to drink no quarantine cola through the bunny mask. So, if you like this video today and you wanna subscribe, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up button and hit the notification bell. Next time I upload a video, you'll be able to see it. So, y'all go out, get you a quarantine mask. N95, I believe, is the correct terminology for these masks. Doctors and nurses wear them. I'm sure I hadn't seen anyone wear the underwear mask, but this is a good one to wear. I mean, it keeps anybody from getting germs in my face or me getting germs to them. But this quarantine cola will knock that out pretty quick. Just open it up. Well, alright, y'all. Y'all be safe and try to stay coronavirus free.